How do you make recycled fence planters or any recycled items into a stunning fall stoop? In today's video, we'll transform my new wooden planters built from reclaimed fence pickets into a stunning fall stoop by adding vibrant and colorful flowers to them. Any fall flowers will do, however, I am partial to colorful mums and pansies, mostly because that's about all I know how to grow. If you're new, I'm Janet, and today we're going to add pops of color to the traditional orange color scheme for fall. If you're new, I would love it if you would like, subscribe, and leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite fall flower is. Welcome back to all my friends. I hope you'll let me know if you're doing any fall planting in the comments. But first, we need to clear the fall leaves that have been collecting in them since my husband Tom built them. If you've not seen that video, I hope you'll go back and watch it. Now we'll add some leftover plastic to the planters to hold in the moisture and keep the flowers hydrated better, and then we'll add quality organic potting soil to provide nutrients to the flowers to help them grow. We'll get the rest of the potting soil in, and then we'll start adding the pansies that I picked up at Ace Hardware, along with the mums that I already planted. Add a cute fall scene with hay, pumpkins, and a metal sunflower, and then we'll get the porch and stoop swept, and I'll show you how everything turned out. Most people only decorate with traditional fall colors like orange, yellow, or red, but I like to go beyond that and throw in pops of color to surprise the eye and draw attention. Playing with colors can be tricky, however, as long as you have a strong base like gray, it will act like a neutral mixture no matter how light or dark the other colors are. It will anchor everything and will tone down the intensity of the other colors so they blend. Don't be afraid to mix and match color, because as long as they are in the same tones and shades, most colors will go together. If you're not good at gardening like me, stick with things that are easy to grow like pansies. I'm not sure how these will do, but in years past I was able to grow them like weeds. I hope that I didn't just jinx myself, because I just love how well the pansies grow and spill over the containers. Mums usually do okay as long as you remember to water them. It has been really dry in the south, so that is why I tried adding the plastic membrane to retain the water and to prevent moisture loss. Let's hope this works. I hope you enjoy the upbeat music and it inspires you to get out and do some fall planting. If you do, I hope you'll leave a comment and let me know what you planted. I love hearing from everyone and what's up in your life. We'll get these planted and then I'll clean up some of the mess before sweeping, and we'll get a look at how everything turned out. So let's get this finished. And here's how the final touches to the front porch turned out. I just added this small bale of hay from Lowe's. I think it was $8.99. And these pumpkins were from Ace Hardware. I added this small little sunflower. It was from the Dollar General, and it was only $4. And here's the pansies and the mums that I got from Ace Hardware. These aren't in full bloom yet, but they're starting to bloom. And here's the other side with the pansies. And these mums have fully bloomed, and they're just beautiful. But here's how the final touches on the front porch turned out. Thank you so much for dropping in. Please show Lola some love and give her a thumbs up. I hope to see you again soon, but until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you the next time. Bye.